Big Stallion. Three, two, one. Shout out to Rugby 721. He's the best and always will be the best, so
It's my favorite word. And at my newly refreshed Target, that's what I get. More groceries like meat, veggies, more space for shoes, more ways to try makeup. And my second favorite word, less.
Swirl.
Expect more, pay less.
Try this one out.
This is Angela Sands coming to you live from the scene yet another murder mystery. It seems that entertainers talking about the positive murder. We have no information at this time.
Oh yeah, that was good. Oh. Anyways, I did a video yesterday, but it screwed up again uploading, so I'm doing this straight to my computer. But shout out to Rugby. Got some burps for you. I'm gonna be away out of town for like 3 days. I won't be back till probably Sunday night or Monday. Probably Monday night after work. But going to the Minnesota homebrewing camping trip in Minnesota. Be a lot of cool people there. Different homebrewers from all over Minnesota. Stuff like that. One of my beers is being entered into the competition, and also 4 gallons of it is going to be on tap for anybody who wants some. It's an amber ale. Final gravity was 1.010, and the beginning gravity on that one was 1.068. So it's about 8.2% alcohol by volume gravity. Yeah. So got it in a keg, stuff like that. So that'll be pretty cool to have that, have people try that and tell me what they think. So peace, cheers. I have another crazy stallion in the fridge, so I'm going to do a video after I eat some stuff. So talk to you guys later. Shout out to Rugby.